Hello, friends. Welcome back to Finance with Mary. Today, we are diving into something very important: financial principles. Now, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some people earn a lot of money but are still always broke, while others with little income seem to live comfortably and even save? The difference is not magic, it's principles. Money does not respect age, gender, or even education. It only respects principles. As one quote says, poverty is not just the absence of money, it is the absence of ideas and discipline. In today's video, I'll share practical financial principles anyone can follow, whether you are rich, poor, a student, a worker, or a business person. If you can understand and apply them, your financial life will never remain the same. Here are 7 financial principles. 1. Spend less than you earn. This is the number one principle. If you earn 100,000 naira and spend 120,000 naira, you are already in trouble. Many people believe they have a money problem, but in reality, they have a spending problem. Yes. Let me ask you, when your income increases, do you save more or do you immediately upgrade your lifestyle? Most people increase their expenses. They buy new clothes, new phones, eat out more often. But here is the truth: if your expenses grow faster than your income, you will remain broke. He who buys what he does not need steals from himself. Think about it. Number 2 principle: save before you spend. The mistake most people make is to spend first and then try to save what's left. But the reality is this: nothing will be left. Do you know why? I'll tell you. Money is never enough. Human needs are numerous and you can't satisfy all at once. Therefore, you need to plan your income so you don't remain broke all the time. Try this instead. Pay yourself first. Even if it's only 10% of your income, remove it before touching anything else. If you earn 50,000 naira, keep 5,000 naira aside. This is how financial discipline begins. Savings are not just about money, they are about building the habit that creates wealth. Note: do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Number 3 principle: avoid bad debt. Let's be real. Many people borrow to buy what they cannot afford: a new phone, clothes for a party, or even borrowing for urgent 2K. Nothing wrong with debt if it is productive, meaning it generates more income than what you borrowed. For example, borrowing 40K to start a small business that earns 80K is wise, but borrowing 40K to buy the latest shoe is foolish. The borrower is servant to the lender. Proverbs 22 verse 7. Ask yourself, will this debt bring me more money or will it take money away from me? Number 4 principle: invest wisely. Invest wisely. Saving alone will not make you wealthy. Why? Because of inflation. Prices keep rising, so the money in your account keeps losing value. The principle is this: make your money work for you. Ways you can invest: treasury bills or mutual funds, small businesses, real estate, even land in rural area grows in value. Skills and education: the best investment is in yourself. But be careful. Never invest in what you don't understand. Study before you put in your money. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Number 5 principle: Live within your means. This is where many people fail. They want to impress friends, family, or even strangers. But you must realize financial freedom is not about looking rich, it's about actually being rich. Instead of changing your phones every year, why not invest that money? Instead of eating out daily, why not cook that food at home? Too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Will Rogers. Number 6 financial principle: use a simple formula. Here is a simple guide I recommend: the 50-30-20 rules. 50% of your income for needs, that is rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, that is enjoyment, lifestyle, entertainment. 20% for savings and investments. If you stick to this formula, you will balance enjoying your money and preparing for the future. Number 7 financial principle, which is the last: give and help others. This principle is often ignored, but generosity has power. Giving is not losing, it's planting. When you give wisely to family, community, or those in need, you open doors for blessings and opportunities. The hand that gives is always on top. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, spending money before it arrives. That is borrowing against your salary. Number 2, believing salary alone will make you rich. Okay. Number 3, thinking you need millions before you can start saving or investing. Remember, don't eat your seed, plant it. Friends, let's remind ourselves what we've learned today. Number 1, spend less than you earn. Number 2, save before you spend. Number 3, avoid bad debt. Number 4, invest wisely. Number 5, live within your means. Number 6, use a simple money formula. And number 7, give and help others. Money is not about luck, it's about principles. If you follow these principles consistently, your financial life will improve, whether you earn little or much. Wealth, like a tree, grows from a tiny seed. The sooner you plant that seed, the sooner your tree will grow. Here is my challenge for you. This week, track every single expenses you make. Or this week, track every single expense you make. Write it down. At the end of the week, review it. You will be shocked at how much money leaks away without you noticing. Thank you for watching Finance with Mary. If this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe, and remember, financial freedom starts with simple daily decisions. Bye for now.